There he is. See the smoke? That's our guy.
So he's going to be on that upper track. So we're not the one with the crossing of the signals, right?
I'm not sure yet, actually.
You can tell he's... There he is. I got him right now. Look here, my camera. Here he is.
I see him.
100 times zoom. This is the first time I've actually gotten to put this sucker to good use. 200 times, dang it.
Yeah, he's coming down that middle line by the signals.
Look here. Look here. Is it 100?
That's not our container train.
It's a whole different one. It's a maintenance of weight train. Well, it still counts. I guess he's stopping to wait.
So where'd our container train go? He mustn't be going on that far upper line.
Probably. Oh crud, the camera blurred.
Bet you this guy came out of that plant.
I love it. I got the oil well in the shot too. Oh look, he's smoking. He might have a blown turbocharger. Well, not blown turbocharger. Not yet, but he might. How hard they're working, it's only a matter of time before one of those suckers' turbos goes out.
It doesn't sound good at all.
Yeah, the back unit's smoking a lot. But that means that's a sign of a failing turbocharger. Like Horseshoe Curve, only different. Or no, excuse me. This is more like the mountain in Johnstown.
Our container train's going up on the High Line up there. See this smoke?
Yeah. That's amazing though, to catch the train on this upper level. Makes it all the more dramatic. Heading west. So that must be a maintenance of way train, I'm guessing. Oh, by the way, come here. ain't letting him go too easily. Okay, I'm about to get him rounding the curve where he enters the back onto the main line. It's amazing. I never thought I'd get something like this. Oh, I've got him rounding the curve and I can still see the engines. That's the container train.
Yeah.
I don't know where he's going.
I don't know either. He's not on that far upper line.
Well, he can't go on this one.
Oh, he's headed down to Denver.
That goes to Denver, Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, who knew?
There's a Y.
Ah. Well, who knows? We might have another train coming through. This is a good spot to train watch. So, I mean, if you hang around a while, you might get lucky. Might catch a meet or two underneath here. So I'm going to continue filming, but I'm going to pan around.
Behind you. You have your shot.
Oh, it's fine. Here, I was zooming out anyway. Yes. Alright. I recommend Albany's.
Albany's?
Yeah.
What do they got?
Prime rib is some of the best you'll ever eat.
Okay.
We're going to be eating over at the bar side, I think. Of course, I'm not going to drink anything. That's something I don't intend on doing. I'm going there for the food. I'm going to see if I can catch this guy. This will give me this camera a good chance to work.
I'm not going to say you won't, but I don't know if you will.
He's climbing.
I keep seeing the smoke.
He's climbing. He's going to come out up here on this upper line.
He might. I might stick around. I thought for sure he was already past that point. But now that I see his smoke again.
Can never assume. I'm amazed you can see that far. I'm the one who's stuck with the bad vision.
Oh, I got contacts in. I can't without correction.
Oh, he's going up here. He's getting louder, so that means he's coming out up here.
Yeah, he is going to come this way.
Oh yeah, he's working and he's working hard. And who knows, there might be another train heading down on this line. Yeah, we were going to eat when he pulled out, so yeah. Unless he's behind that track, unless there's a lower main line that I don't see.
Well, that was the Y I was talking about. As it goes south.
I see. Unlike you, this camera cannot pick up the smoke.
It's moving.
Which direction?
This way.
Yep. He's coming up here.
He might be going on that line after all.
Oh, he is. I can hear him.
Yep, there's the containers. And there's the engines.
There he is. Let's just zoom all the freaking way, shall we?
He's hot on his heels.
Look through the camera. Look. 7418, number on the lead unit. There's no point in waving, I already can tell you, they do not see us. Wait, will he pass here?
No, he's on main 3 up there, up top.
Here's how far away he really is, y'all. He's all the way over there, and that's miles away. That's amazing. I'm stunned. This is where I can see this sucker's full potential. Does that sound mean there's a turbocharger on the Fritz or something?
I don't know. Alright, well now I'm going this way.
Now you never know. Once this rush hour traffic starts moving.
Oh, there could be something else.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for hypotheticals.
Well, true, but yeah. So if you stay in any of the restaurants in the middle of town, you'll be right by the tracks where you can see the trains, so you'll know then.
Yeah. Nice talking with you.
Thank you. I'll probably be back up here after we eat. That's the end of him, all the way up there. Hopefully we see another one. It's amazing.